Is it better than PHP actor? I don't know. I'm new at Neovim. Or at... Shoot. Just clip it already. Let's try and figure out how we can make a grid of pictures. Okay. Let's figure out how we can do that. Like, because she uses VS. We only have one rule in this chat, Adam. Rules. Does it show up? Rule. I don't know how to make the chat rules show up again. Only one rule. We censor VS Code here. Okay? And you have to click that you accept. That's not as smart as me thinking about imaginary. I have to have an original thought. I have to have an original thought. Postcard. Okay, so chat, I want to make this look like an album with like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, right? I never used VS Code. VS Bet, exactly. Grid template columns, nice. I don't know. On the same div apply CSS display, flex, wrap. What if I want it to change based on how wide it is? I want it to be more pictures if I have a wider screen and less pictures if I have a skinny screen. Flex. Okay. I'm using IntelliFence right now. Flexible just for width. Just use flex, wrap. You can use breakpoints. Okay. Small for 400 to 600. Okay. Binary table, TDTR, let's go. No, Nightshade, no, that's I paid for it, Daniil. Media queries with grid. Seems like flex sounds easier. So let's do at for each. Posts is posts and for each. Let's do X post thumbnail. Can I do this? Oh, nice. Flex requires width declaration or size content. All the pictures are marquees. So I broke down file installed nerd fonts. Oh, nice, Calder. Is it better than PHP actor? I don't know. I'm new at Neovim. Or at... Shoot. Just clip it already. Just clip it already. Okay? I'm a new streamer. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Are you Laravel or creating plugin? We're working with Laravel. So I guess maybe it would be easier, maybe for right now. That did terrible. Let's not format this? Dang. So if I do, here's a link. Telescope. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Metric. If you're new to you, just start with horizontal movement. Thanks, Alex. But, Sizen, we're doing a little bit of both. Okay, so you're telling me can I just do this with Tailwind? Nice. Then what? Flex wrap? Now we're talking. Now we're talking. We're pretty much already there. Yeah, Nightshade. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. How to close Vim? Turn off computer. Runner. Bro, but it's just using flex. I'm gonna flex on them. On the haters. You can use the grid with autocomps. Okay, I gotcha. Why'd you pick Laravel? I'm trying to choose if I would go Laravel or SvelteKit for a personal project. I don't want to write JS. It just doesn't sound fun. And so since I don't want to write JS, I'm going to do this instead. Yeah, class justify around. It'll add some equal spacing around all the images. Okay. That doesn't look good. That looks worse. Because now they don't line up. This is one of the moods of all times. Yeah. Just I don't think it's very random why I don't like it. Use grid with a max width. You didn't think and you typed in Twitch chat? That's never happened before. Random in JS is pretty bad. I just don't want to write JS. I don't have fun when I write the language. It doesn't make me feel good. I always end up doing other crap that I don't want to do. It's not fun. Nothing ever works in 3 months for me. Everyone tells me to switch to new package manager. Like, then I'm using the wrong formatter. Now I need to use a different formatter. Now I'm using the wrong version of React. Oh, now I'm using the wrong thing in the React and the thing. Oh, no, you should be using... I just don't want to do it. TypeScript is JavaScript. And JavaScript is TypeScript. I don't want to do any of them. Elixir? It's the first time I've ever heard of it. What is it? Elixir. Lang. What? Holy cow, this has piping? It's a functional language? Oh, based on Beam? Sorry, Ryan's in the chat. Ryan's in the chat, we just gotta make fun of him. Yeah, Elixir is also on my list. Writes Elixir for a megachurch. Interesting. Ryan's getting mad. Ryan's getting mad. So basically, I want to write a project that I'm going to have fun writing in. I'm not saying you can't have fun writing JavaScript. All of you can have as much fun as you want writing JavaScript. I don't want to write it. Laravel seems cool. Seems like I'm able to easily ship a lot of stuff and go zoom. So I'm trying it. Plus everyone who talks about Laravel online who's using it seems happy. Heard Elixir can compile the Next.js. See why it's propelling. Nice. That makes sense. Yo, what's up, JJ? Thanks for the sub. Bro, I use Laravel and I'm happy. Exactly. Oh, dang. Thanks, JJ. Was anyone having a serious conversation before we started talking about I don't want to write JS? I don't remember. Use Laravel, move to Symfony, and micro framework. There's some good points. So yeah. I like Laravel and Ruby on Rails. Yeah, I mean, people seem happy doing both. Did you try Livewire? I am trying Livewire. Yep. Oh, I missed the reason. Dang it. Self-promo, Elixir shilling, same thing. Nice. Oh, hey, thanks, Bonnie. Serious conversation should be banned. Server had rendered with the by default. Exactly. Okay, so this is how this looks. This obviously is not good if they don't have this. So we should probably do this whole thing should be we can just actually move this whole if up to here. We don't want to do anything if it doesn't have a picture. Woo, sorry, chat. Sorry, chat. Oh my goodness. All right, sweet. So that should get rid of these guys. See ya, losers. Hey, Jack, thanks for the sub as well. Ryan streams Elixir, by the way. I like this place. Hey, same. Yeah, Typhonics, that makes sense. Oh, dang, crows as well. Thanks, everybody. I'm dabbing on the haters. I don't know. Does anyone have a solution for formatting Blade files? I would gladly take it. I don't know what people use to format Blade. Blade formatter. It didn't work though. Ryan, when I just use equals, it just does this. It gets very confused. We're gonna get same NeoVim setup like mine. You can't. You can also do has media on your query. Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. Then I wouldn't send it if we didn't do it. Right. Okay. Instead of has media, I say has media like this. Does it still select it? Oh, scam train. Where has? Visual mode, select the top, press G and then D. Nice. Oh, I didn't make media now, right? Oh, but then how do I... Oh, that's kind of annoying. How can I do this part still without it? I don't think it's key maps. Wouldn't it just be built-in .planets? I like if I put on logical blade files. Yeah, that makes sense. How can I get this media here without doing the rest of this though? Like, where would I put this, right? You guys understand what I'm saying? How do I just put like post media or something? You guys understand? Don't assign a variable, just put it in source. Just put it in source. That's what I'm saying. How do I get it into here? Add a function in post that gives you the media. And a URL. Like, yeah, but then if I do this, then it's going to do it for all of it. I don't think we want to do that. You're saying I should do this. Look at the computed attributes. How do I do that? I wouldn't add that function. Okay. Could add a custom function first, like get first media. Oh, get first media. Nice. Okay. Okay, so that already exists. So what I should do is I should just do this. This is post get first media, like this. Oh, wait, but this doesn't get the URL, I'm pretty sure. Now we're talking. Will you source dive again? Oh, good point. Yeah, that does seem bad. But I did with media. Does that matter? So like when I do here, if I do this here, I can't tell. We'll try that. Why are you doing PHP? You can... The width should bring it eagerly. That's what I thought. Did you call it laravel Debugbar? That'll show you your DB queries and how it duplicates. Oh, really? Gotta select the first media in Blade. It's goated. So wait, basically what I had before, this, right? Post, media, first. Like this. Then I have to do the same thing. That part's kind of annoying. That's what I was saying I don't like. I don't want to write that much, right? So then I was saying, let's do post, image, URL, like this, right? And then we go back to here. We go down here as a public function, media, image, URL. Right? Oh, but instead of that, we need to say this. Wait, so now I'm back to the thing that we did at the beginning. Laravel Debugbar. Okay. We'll also check this out as well. Cool. Interesting. Okay, we'll check that out shortly as well. That's okay. It's okay to go in circles when you're learning things. Yeah, this part makes sense to me. Unfortunately, you can't figure out what those are. That's fine. Under code admins are we gonna get the virtual tech? I might add the virtual text type. I hate it personally. I think it's a terrible anti-pattern. What's up, Wes? Good to see ya. What's get user looking? Looks weird. It just gets the currently auth user with the, and it just makes sure that it's the right type, basically. Okay, sweet. So now we have this. That's great. All right. This is what I got so far. So now I don't need to do this. Because we're going to select that elsewhere. No logics. The virtual text like autocompletes. I don't like it when it like spits a bunch of text in front of the cursor. I just think it's bad, but I'll add it if enough people want it, I guess. But I would consider trying to add it, I guess. I just think it's terrible. So you, alright, you want to display the user associated with the post. Yeah, at some point we probably will. This is just the user's posts for right now, right? So this is just the user's posts. So these are all the same one. I feel like I didn't even use snippets. The only thing I want on is just closing stuff. Yeah. Okay, so this works good. Get the image URL, if any. I guess this should be this, right? Is there like, how do I say maybe it's gonna be a string? Can I do this? Yeah, no worries. No worries, Anders. I mean, we're just still kind of exploring, right? We're still just exploring. We're trying lots of different stuff. So then this is nice because I zoom in and we'll get more of these like this. Okay, so we have a way to do a post, but currently posts don't have any way to do image uploads. It looks like the built-in get first media won't cause an n+1 creep. You already have the media you to load it. Okay, sweet. Get first media URL. So hypothetically, I can do this. Okay. Later, I'm going to make it so that you have to have a picture. That's literally like the point of the site anyway. So what am I supposed to do with this? PHP Debugbar. It includes a service provider registered Debugbar and hitch the output. Okay, so I should be able to just install this basically like with this. Okay. Wow, cool. Okay. That's so cool. Okay, nice. That's so cool. Nine queries is wrong, right? This just says where has media. Do I need to also say with media? 3. Okay. Okay, chat. JS fanboys, where are you now? JS fanboy. Oh man. Why wouldn't you just Why wouldn't you just write JavaScript? Why would you choose PHP? I can't even think of any reason why I would do whatever the most popular thing is on text Twitter. I'm just gonna copy whatever the most liked tweet is today. Stop making me think. That's literally you, chat. Okay. You're a Roush. Hey, Roush G likes code me twice. I used Laravel wrong. We did it in JS, it would be way harder. You're just picking the easy solution, so you're still learning Neo. Exactly, Daniel. The best plugin for and talk about plugins because we're in JS. Exactly. Okay. Well, this is just to explain. 3 statements were executed. Select start. That gets my current user, right? Then we select the posts here and select. Is this n plus 1? I don't think so. I knew it, live coding. I knew it tagged me and your whole family's writing JS? Oh, dude, that's tough. I think that's right, though. That's okay for this situation. I think it's okay for this situation. Because, like, we still have to get the media. I don't know. We'll be able to watch this later. That's fine. Yeah, we'll test it out more as we go. We'll be able to watch it. We'll be able to watch it. Dude, that is so cool. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Is there a way I can make this text bigger for chat? How do I make this bigger? I couldn't figure out how to make this part bigger. Like when I zoom in, it just zooms it. I guess it kind of does the whole page, but like I don't want to have to do this for you to be able to see it. Does anyone know? It's fine. You can read it, okay? All right. As long as you guys can read it, okay? Check docs. No, that's what you are for, chat. Okay. I don't know. It's okay. Like, it's fine size for me. But I don't know if it's fine size for you. Also, chat. Look at this. Someone embroidered this for me. I'm going to be showing this off so much today because it's so awesome. Doggo is 4. German. Yeah, German Shepherd. Same face. It's crazy. Yeah, I got another funny one from when we were trying to take pictures. One sec. Well, here, I can do this. You guys can see this, and then we were trying to take pictures of her, but she was not. This one's pretty good. This one's pretty good. She was not being super cooperative. But the best one is she just started licking me in the middle. Look at her eyes, chat. Oh my goodness. But the best one is at the beginning here. Where is it? Yeah, this one. She thinks I'm about to send her to bed. She thinks I'm about to send her to bed, so her ears are all down. She's like, I don't want to go to bed. Let's stay up. It's literally 2 a.m. Classic. Classic doggo. But this one's a good one. I didn't buy this. Someone made it for me. My parents just got it for me for Christmas. I keep all my dad jokes in a database. Ember JS, exactly. That's what I named her after. My parents also got me here. Let me see it. Picture. Oh man. Well, you can see the shirt in this picture or in this video. I'm not gonna show the one with my kid, but here, there you go. My parents got me Control C and then the same shirt with Control V for my parents or my son. We got Control C, Control V. Do you even code pro? I had to pretend I like it. That's funny. Oh, nice. So that was good. They don't know about yank and paste. You know what I mean? Why? They don't know. Yeah, I know. They don't know. I realize it's a non-logical exactly. It really would be, Robot Santa. It really would be. Okay, well, this is super cool. It makes sense that we would have to do 2 queries for this, does it not? But you have to get this one, and then it also selects this, probably, right? Could be why. If you say so, Vincent. Dude, this is so cool. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love with this. Who sent me Debugbar again? Get back in here. Mitchie? Everyone give Mitchie a clap right now. Ryan, that's funny. Thank Barry. Oh, it's Barry? I've already run into this guy's name multiple times. Barry Vandenheuvel. Probably. Or Vanderheuvel, maybe. Yep. Vanderheuvel, nice. Streams, doesn't he? Does he actually? Followed. Starred. This is the coolest project ever. All right. Is he like the T-Pope of Laravel? Seems like it. Why don't you do? Really? Oh, they actually have something called Telescope. That's funny. Laravel Telescope. It makes one from your local Laravel. Telescope runs instant requests coming to your applications. Oh my goodness. That's hilarious too, because it's called Telescope. Telescope. Super copyright infringement. Exactly. Exactly. That's my name. Well, that's cool. We'll have to check this one out later. Telescope's everything. Okay. This is mine. The real reason I'm trying PHP. Bum 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 bum. All right. Okay, well, let's get back to this. All right, so we've got something simple here. We've got a way to put some pictures in grids. That's great. With optional description. Let's try something a little fancier, right? Let's try something a little fancier. I want to do something like... This probably wouldn't be how I'd actually do it, okay? Let's say I want to do something where I hover over this. When I hover over it, it shows the text. So the text is normally hidden. How can we do something like this, chat? We can definitely do a filter as well. We are not the same. Image hover. Opacity. I'm saying like skill issue. Well, why would you ever write what? Is there any reason to write a slow load script instead? I don't know what, when you're saying image hover, I want to do it. When I hover this, I put my mouse over, I want the text to show up. You can use Livewire, right? I'm saying like, there's got to be a Livewire shenanigans for this. Hit me with some docs. Hit me with some docs. Or something to read. Just do it in pure CSS. It's a good idea. And hover block. Add the hidden in text, then hover block. User popover extends component. Make a popover / tooltip. Oh, I don't really want to do a popover. I want it to be like when I... Oh, this is like some Alpine JS shenanigans. Div image hover plus div display block. It's usually not, but I don't know what's going on with it today. It's been off on some random sites. Doing in Tailwind also works. Chat, you gotta understand, I've never made any websites before. You gotta slow down. You can just say div image hover plus div display block. I don't know what that means. You can hit me with an MDN thing and I'll read it, but I don't know what you're saying. Okay, so so HTML is a programming language, and I would have a hidden div absolutely positioned over the image. Then on hover, you toggle the display. Mobile directory number, exactly. All right, let's check Tailwind's thing for this, and then we'll go more. Hover, yep. Okay, so I have seen this before. I have seen these. So we can do class hover. I don't know. Opacity 50. I'm just guessing. Yeah, I'm pretty good at this. Okay, nice. If you've never done web dev for your perfect mental space for doing PHP, that's exactly right, live coding. Div image hover your image selector plus div neighbor div of the hover div. Okay, Suffix, I'm trying to understand. You have to give me some time. Then you add hidden to the text. Teach you might start a flame war stating something like HTML is a program. Haven't you guys seen htmllang.org? Why? What is going on? Why is it off by default right now? Practical turn complete stack-based programming language, HTML, the markup language. It uses elements defined in HTML. Give you a sense right here. Right here, chat. Jump back to the beginning of the loop. You got everything you need here. This is an atrocity. Brought to you by the same people. Brought to you by the same people who made HTMX. HTML lang. Then do group hover block on the image. All right. Group hover block. I don't know what this is. Can you send me a link for what this hover what is this block thing? Okay, I'm looking. I'm looking. Hodl chat. Well, oh, this was the same one that I'm on. I was just further down the page, right? Pseudo classes. Has modifiers, just everything you'll need. We'll see about that. And pure CSS or Tailwind? I don't mind doing it in Tailwind. I want to see what all the Tailwind fuss is about. Anyways, as well. Okay, we'll also check out the MDN one as well. Yep. I got that one. That's right here. We're getting there. We're going to read the docs first. Dark MD hover. Wow. Okay. Calls on focus, hover, focus, and active. Hover, active, focus, focus, focus. Okay. Taz, I don't know. We're going to read some docs. Okay. Remove top and bottom padding. First, padding 0. Wow. Okay. Padding top 0, padding bottom 0. Okay. I got you. Okay, I'm starting to follow. I've done 3 minutes of CSS before starting Tailwind. Should we tweet? I learned Tailwind before I learned CSS. Okay. Design is my passion. That's why they call me Picasso. I don't know, chat. That one's not that good. That one's not that good. But, but what can you do? Spelled it wrong. Yeah, that's the joke. It has CSS in the name. That I made it so that it's CSS. CSSO. Can you downvote tweets? It's this one and this one together. When you get these two together, it's gonna go. That's how you downvote them. What's up, Brian? Based. Design is my passion. R whoosh. Oh, it's gonna whoosh. That's okay though. Okay, first and last. That's cool. Odd and even. I'm not gonna lie, this is really convenient and nice. I don't know if there's, I'm sure there's ways to do this in regular CSS, but we don't care. Form states. Okay, so this is styling based on parent state. This is gonna be similar. This is the one. We made it. I'm happy like Christmas you as well. The same similar command in CSS. Cool. We need to style an element based on the state of some parent element. Mark the parent with group hover. Okay. Ah, so I can group here. Group hover. Okay. Group. Okay. So group hover. Group hidden. Group hover. I don't know. Not hidden. Show. I don't know what it should be. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Visible. Block. So this is where I say block. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. There's Ryans everywhere. Hey, no problem, Ryan. Told me he doesn't like Winchester. That's what I heard as well. Teach front-end arc starting. That's why they call me Pixo. There's no... If this does well... Ryan, reply with the design is my passion gif. Do it. Do it. There's no way that this one's gonna do well. But it's a joke that I enjoy. 1000X is peak comedy. You don't get the stand-up comedy tag for nothing, chat. You can't just put it on your stream. You can't just put it on there. Why Laravel over Phoenix? Thought you already know Elixir. I don't know Elixir. Ryan knows Elixir. I know of Elixir. I do want to try Elixir sometime. Comedy is my passion. That's what they call me. Teach. That's good. Something tells me you just put it on your stream. No. Don't think so. It only unlocks after a certain number of Keck W's in your chat. And it works its way up. How many? It's a lot. It's a lot. You and Prime need to figure out a shared custody schedule for streaming. We'll figure it out eventually. Rough estimate? Probably around 15,000. Then you unlock it. Yeah. Just multi-stream every time. Chat later. Just want to say what's up. Hey, Ryan. Why did I learn OCaml? Oh, don't worry. I'll come back. We're going to still make our game engine. Don't tell him I said so. Calder, what are the odds you type that in both chats right now? I have ever... Nightshade, check his logs. Nightshade, check his logs. Thank you. No, we're not even going to say it. Check his logs. Big dick energy, the only energy we need. No? Nice. Thanks, Nightshade. Calder, everyone give Calder a clap. I'm clean. I'd check them, but skill issue. Phoenix after with the page updating live when anybody else uploads images and all. Ryan, those sound like features you need if you have users. We're not in a game for that kind of business. What's cooking, Harish? You should just color cast Prime stream. I'll just live react to him reacting. Live react to Prime reacts. Guys, come on into the stream. Why don't you all hang out for some live reacting? I can just walk away and let his stream play for 15 minutes. Yeah, no. I know. I'm gonna do Laravel and I'm gonna do it for this project for a while to try. Live react to Prime. Ban. Just in his chat. I'm streaming this right now. This is Memorial to Trash Dev. Okay, so now I need to do something. Just pre-order your reactions. You'll be on spot. Just pre-record. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna try. We're gonna see what happens. We did. We're displaying pictures. Okay, so the next thing is instead of having this be like a div that goes above them, people are, how could I make this stretch across this image and be centered? This is where people are saying doing absolute position. I don't know how to do any of this, chat. I should build Laravel Neo tools. I might finally consider trying Neo them. That's kind of the plan. Relative and parent absolute on the div text, then do style however you need. Add relative to parent. Okay. So add relative to parent. To top. To the top. Here. This one. Here, let's name these. We'll do big div. text div. We'll just remove the message for now. And image. Okay. Parent is the group one. Okay. So what do I write? You can search position on Tailwind docs. Use static position according to the normal flow of the elements. Static parent. Any office will be ignored. The element not position for absolutely positioned children. Relative, just relative. Just literally add relative to here. Other than parents, so the absolute will be relative to it instead of the body. Ooh, now we're cooking, chat. Now we're cooking. Okay, so let me understand what just happened there. We put relative on the body, relative to position according to normal flow. So relative parent, absolute child. So it just puts it inside of here. Margin flex or whatever it's called. Text center. I don't know. I don't have Tailwind LSP. We could probably install it though. We'll just do it, Mason. I actually don't want to auto install it. We'll put it with we'll put it here. It's just Tailwind. Relative, see what happens. Yeah, no, okay, we'll get there. We'll get there. One sec. I'm pretty sure I know. What was I gonna look for? LSP config. It's Tailwind CSS. Probably don't need to do anything special. Okay. Maybe do W dash full items center justify center flex. Did I just remove? Oh, I just removed absolute, didn't I? So I'm pretty sure what will happen if I remove this relative is it's just going to put it like somewhere weird on the page, right? It's just going to be like, oh, it still kind of works. Oh, that's surprising. I thought that this wouldn't work. Maybe because it's absolute and full and flex and stuff like this. Well, that's not what I thought was going to happen, but needs to be in a child div. I have this one here. Its next relative is the body. Yeah, I just thought these wouldn't go here. But that's fine. Maybe group makes it relative. Oh, it could be something with group already. Yeah. I'm not super worried about it. Yeah, there must be a relative added by Tailwind. That's fine. Use React. Not whenever not when I have a choice. No. Trying to float a div. Basically, yeah. Oh, we should install this blade format as well. Format template for laravel that respects readability. Should we just try this? Didn't we already try this and wasn't it kind of slow? I thought we tried this and it was kind of slow. Okay, we'll try it again. We'll try it again. We'll see what happens. Pretty sure we just want to do this. I will try all of this again. Just make sure that we actually have this in form. Are they using for the formatter? I don't know. I should probably just go like this and open up a few of these as well. A serve. We can run these in a separate NeoVim so they don't have to get restarted because that's kind of dumb. Every time I want to restart something. Okay. Let's go to our, where were the list posts? Here. Yeah, it's still just kind of slow. Like, I mean, it doesn't take forever, but it just takes kind of a while. Not that bad. It's pretty bad for me. Flex applies the same CSS properties as hidden. Okay, interesting. Let's just apply all of them. Okay, so how do I get this guy to be here? Group hover flex. Oh, nice. Okay. How do I get it down here? Group hover applies the same as group block. Wait, then why didn't it work last time? Riddle me that. Riddle me that. Oh, remove block. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh, I see. Flex is bigger than block. Okay, now how do I put it down here, chat? Flex. Oh, do I need to do flex items? Group hover flex items. H full as well. Oh, that makes sense. Yep. Yep. No big deal. No big deal. Yeah. No big deal. Yeah, I'm working on a plugin that will release at some point called PHP Envim that should hopefully make some of the setup easier. Which reminds me that probably PHP Envim, we should make a list of things that we want to do, which would be install blade formatter. Right now I'm using IntelliFence, but should do more exploring with PHP Actor. What else did we do? I don't know. Not laravel envim. Well, I don't think every single thing will be 100% laravel focused, Ryan. Like some of it will also be generic PHP things. Yeah, so it's like my first pass is going to be making it work. I'm not going to put Laravel in the name, first off. That seems like a terrible idea. Center, item center, pretty much sure first time chatter got it right. Nice. Do you mean first time chatter? Is that what you mean, Dota 2? Pretty good one, huh? Laravel and the name is dollars. Okay, well, we'll add Laravel mode or something. Laravel mode engage. Okay, anyways, that's fine, chat. We're getting there. How do I make these show up on different lines? I thought putting these in different paragraphs would do that automatically. But I'm stupid. You have to remember, chat. I'm stupid. Just watch the next video.